If you own one of these Piaggio MP3 scooters, chances are your instrument panel is going to be shown in kilometers. Now if you want to change it to miles per hour and you want to keep your odometer at miles instead of kilometers, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. As you can see in this display that the odometer is displayed in kilometers and the temperature is in Celsius. So we're going to change that to miles and to Fahrenheit. So here's what we need to do to get into the program settings. You're going to hold in this mode button for about 3 seconds and then turn your key switch to the on position and keep the mode button pushed in. And now we've entered into the settings screen. Or you can let go of the mode button and leave the key in the on position and you'll see the kilometer and mile is flashing. So now I'm just going to hit the mode button once. It's going to be the same button right here. Just going to tap it. I'm not going to hold it in. So I tap it once. And now you see how it says mile only. The kilometer is gone. Now you're going to hold in the set button right here. Push this in and hold it. And now you see how that changed to Fahrenheit right there. Now I want Fahrenheit to stay, I don't want Celsius, so I'm going to push the set button, hold it in again, and now it's changed everything to standard. So now I have 83 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have 1700 miles. And that's how you change this from kilometer to mile. And that's how easy it is to change your Piaggio instrument panel from kilometers to miles. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.